Hey Aaron, so here's the deal, buddy. When I was kind of seeing what you were doing, you did this. You went 2x plus 4 equals, you tried to add them together. But remember, we can't do that. These are unlike terms. This one has an x term, and this term is just a number. So we can't add unlike terms. If they both had an x, say we had 2x plus 3x, we could totally do that. 2 plus 3 is 5, and the x comes along. But we can't do this. So what we have to do is we have to look instead at the number outside of the brackets. Now this is called the distributive property. Basically what that means is when we have two numbers that are unlike terms both inside the brackets, we can't add them, so what we do instead, we multiply the number outside by each term inside the bracket. Okay, so we're going to do that out. Our first one here is 3 times 2x. 3 times 2 is 6, and the x comes along. Our plus sign comes along. 3 times 4 is 12. And we don't forget the minus 3. Bring that along as well. Then we just combine up our like terms. Here we just have numbers. 12 minus 3. The 6x stays where it is. 12 minus 3 gives us a plus 9. So that's it. That's as far as we can go. This is an expression. There's no equal sign. If there's an equal sign, that's an equation, right? Equation for equals. In that case, you would be solving it. We would get x by itself. You would be doing all that sort of thing. This is just an expression. So all we do is we take it as far as we can and we simplify. Simplifying an expression means that there's no brackets. Look down here. There's no brackets now, and there's no uncombined like terms. We took care of this 12 minus 3 right there. All right, so a bit geeky on that, buddy, but I hope it helps. If it doesn't, shoot me an email and let me know. Thanks.